Hi, I will share something about Dynamics AX setup. If you will run the Dynamics AX setup, then for R3, then it will install the R3 setup. But if you want to update it to CU8 or 11 or your latest version of hotfix, then what you need to do, you need to download the files of CU8 from Lifecycle Services, and you extract that files. Instruction will be there on websites. After updating, extracting, you need to go to Dynamics AX setup and go to update folders. Put your CU8 related files. Once you done, then you can run the Dynamics AX. It's about the installation and upgrade to CU8 or CU11. Then you run the setup. Click on next. Here it will say you to accept the license agreement. I will not show you all the setup installation. Only I will share the understanding on this of a setup. It's searching for updates. Then it will go for next step. Very important things, you need to know the place where you need to page the your hotfix folder on a setup. It will be always update folders. By default, it will not be available. You need to paste. Then you install the things using a setup. Still searching for updates. Then if you have already installed the clients or any other things, then you can remove and you can reinstall. You can go for remove and select the client. Here these are the things: application object server, database, enterprise portal, enterprise search, help server, reporting server. Whatever component which already installed, it will show as ticked. Whatever not installed, you can tick and install. If you don't have Dynamics AX database, then you want to create default database through setup, then you can take the database. Otherwise, if at your SQL site database already exists, then you don't take, you can select on the next step to uh, database. And AOS, you can install the application object server. It will automatically uh, create port 2712 default port. If you want to some development or install enterprise portal website, you want to some enabling dashboard, then you need to install enterprise portal help server. With that, you also need to install reporting service extension and analysis service configuration. Analysis services configuration is nothing but it's related to your cubes, and cubes may be related. Cubes will be related to the SSRS reports, and SSRS report with cube can be used in role centers and reporting services extension. You used to uh, integrate SSRS with the AX. Without this, report will not work in the AX. One default management reporter is available in NVCX setup, which may be your SU8 or SU7. For management reporter, you need to install the management reporter server, and management reporter report designer is the client of the management reporter. Without installing management reporter designer, you will not able to design the report. So your basic platform is the management reporter client, and to make services and interaction, you need to install management reporter server components. If you want to integrate Excel things, like you want to import data through add-ins, Excel add-ins in X master data tables, then you can install Office add-ins. And if you need to install reporting service, analysis services configuration, then you need to develop Visual Studio SSS reports. Then you need to install Visual Studio tools. Trace parser is used to trace the bugs, errors, timings of the execution. If your Visual Studio is newer version, then you can select Visual Studio Tools 2013. And .NET Business Connector is compulsory to install first. These are the retail component. And DIMF. You have mentioned that DIMF used to import data for like item master, customer master, vendor master with all field details. There are some standard templates. You can customize your template in your way. If you want more field, you can customize templates. So DIMF framework service, you need to install AWS component. For DIMF you need to take client component, you need to take. If all three installed, then your DIMF will work properly. After installation, DIMF services will be created separately. You need to, if it is stopped, then you need to restart the services. And warehouse management is a warehouse mobile device portal you can install to enable the warehouse mobile portal. These things, if you tick, and you can click next, and then it will ask you first, like I am ticking, it will ask you to enter the use prerequisites. It will not ask if there is any prerequisite not installed. Then here link will come to download the things, and after downloading you can uh, install the things. Here no error, only one warning success, 9 total 10. Error should be 0. Here it's asking for username password. If you provide username password, click next. As I have already installed, uh, I don't need to install, so I will not proceed to install. Only each step I have shown you how to install the setups of different components, what are things to where it's be used. I hope you will like my this clip, and if you like, please subscribe it to know more about it. You will get daily updates on AX, as AX new version is coming soon, and it's already Dynamics 365. platform is available. You can learn lot of things from there. Thanks once again for watching this clip.